Hello fan collectors. Today I'd like to show you a stunning yet rare ceiling fan. This is an Ornate Emerson 1895 series. It's Chesterfield Brown with antique brass accenting. Show a close up of the faceplate. And ornate blade badges. And the tops of the blades have regular Emerson 1895 blade arms, but the blades mount to the bottom as opposed to the top, like they would on a non-ornate 1895. And the other side is stencil. And I'll show you the blade side that is showing. It's a walnut finish. It has the Lasco type blades. This must be the early generation of the 1895. Before it evolved into the also rare Masterpiece Edition, which has an ornate sideband with the regular faceplate that you find on a typical 1895. And I think this was made probably in the early 1980s, maybe the mid 1980s, because one of the 1895s I had came in a box that had one of these featured on there, the same finish, and also in white and antique brass. So this is a rare ceiling fan. I got a heck of a deal on it when I was in Columbus. Visit their Habitat for Humanity restore with a fellow ceiling fan collector. And this was a diamond in the rough. I mean, it's a really, really great fan. Let me show you the canopy. And the reverse switch is above the motor, which is nice, so you don't have to interrupt the fan operation when you reverse the direction. Okay, I'm going to rev this fan up for you, and I will start this one out on high. Because this has 4 speeds. This has the Emerson KB55 motor in it. Really doing a good job of cranking out the air. Really it is. And I'll show you the signature Emerson pole. And I'll grab a hold of it and bump it down to medium. We will take it down 1 notch to low. Got a little hum to it, but that's okay. And we will bump it down 1 notch to restaurant speed, as I like to refer to it as. And I think we're going to power it down now. We'll just do it from here. It'll be easier to do that. Has a good spin down time even from restaurant speed. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast today, and thank you for watching.